Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're exploring some of the most extraordinary bike campers, bringing your camping adventures to a whole new level. Get ready to be impressed by these amazing creations that blend biking and camping into one, giving people the real thrill of freedom, travel, and discovery while camping. So if you are a camping lover or a road trip enthusiast, then today's video is made for you. Number 1. Wide Path Camper. The Wide Path Camper is an innovative product designed as a bicycle-towed folding trailer that cyclists can use as a tiny camper when they want adventure without giving up comfort. What makes this item special is how quickly it transforms from a small trailer into a cozy living space. Inside, it includes a convertible bed, dining table, and storage space of up to 300 liters, making it ideal for long trips. The hard shell offers protection from the elements while keeping everything stable and secure. It weighs about 88 to 92 kilograms. The price ranges from $4,700 to $5,000. Number 2. Hoopy Solar-Topped E-Bike Camping Trailer. The Hoopy Solar-Topped e-bike camping trailer is a modern and eco-friendly camping accessory for cycling fans who enjoy exploring off the beaten path. This Finnish-built trailer uses lightweight materials while still remaining highly practical. Its insulated body helps keep the interior comfortable in different climates. The folding interior lets the user turn it into a snug sleeping area or a compact dining area. The standout feature is the optional solar roof, which powers interior lights, charges electronics, and can even help recharge the e-bike during a stop. Despite its compact size, it still feels roomy. The price is around $6,600. Number 3. Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper. The Scout Stop and Stay Bicycle Camper is a standout German trailer made for bicycle travelers who prefer slow, independent journeys. Built with an aluminum and fiberglass frame, it converts from a simple trailer into a compact camper that delivers both comfort and mobility on the road. It also offers a comfortable sleeping area with enough windows for fresh airflow, along with plenty of room for gear storage. Its simple layout allows setup in just minutes, which is especially useful on longer routes. Available in the price range of $4,613.40. Number 4. DIY Bicycle Caravan by Jörg Skowronek. The DIY Bicycle Caravan by Jörg Skowronek is an intriguing handmade project that turns a regular bike into a compact caravan. Created in Germany, this unique build uses wood and aluminum to form a light yet inventive structure meant for long-distance travel and minimalist living. The caravan usually includes a folding bed, a protective shell, and enough room for luggage storage. Because it is a DIY construction, details vary depending on the creator's needs and taste. However, the weight is often kept around 40 to 60 kilograms, so it stays towable. There is no fixed price, but similar builds usually cost between $2,306.21 and $4,612.42. Number 5. SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent. The SHIWAGIN Bike Trailer Tent is one of the most practical inventions to appear recently, since it combines several useful features into one highly convenient setup for bike campers. In particular, it allows users to turn ordinary bicycles or e-bikes into compact adventure stations for touring riders. This product features an adjustable trailer tent design that transforms into a sleeping platform with enough room to rest comfortably. The platform sits 12 inches above the ground, which helps keep sleepers away from mud and insects. It also offers solid protection thanks to its waterproof build and alloy frame. In addition, it weighs under 5 kilograms and can carry up to 50 pounds of gear while maintaining balance. Number 6. Shelby Trailer. The Shelby Trailer is a durable and compact concept bike trailer made for motorcyclists who want to combine motorcycle travel with a lightweight, self-sufficient camping experience. Designed as a towable mini cabin, it features an aerodynamic teardrop body, a simple folding bed mechanism, and some interior cargo storage options. Its rugged construction makes it a strong choice for long motorcycle road trips in all kinds of weather, while its lightweight structure allows easy towing behind a mid-size motorcycle. As for exact specifications, several options are available depending on the configuration. Customization possibilities are broad when it comes to interior layout and accessories. Price-wise, it is available in customized versions ranging from $3,459.18 to $8,071.80. Number 7. Mini Mate Motorcycle Camper. The Mini Mate Motorcycle Camper is an affordable trailer that makes travel easier thanks to its compact yet well-built design. Produced by Compact Camping Concepts in the USA, it features a fiberglass body and rubber torsion suspension, allowing it to be towed comfortably by many motorcycles. It opens in 2 minutes and turns into a comfortable resting space for 2 adult travelers. Its interior dimensions are 54 by 78 inches, and beyond the sleeping area and storage compartments, it even includes an awning that provides extra ground-level living space. With an approximate weight of 260 pounds and a price of around $3,995, this trailer is a strong addition to any motorcycle setup. Number 8. The GoCamp. The GoCamp from Flevo Bike is an inventive micromobility camper that turns an electric cargo bike chassis into a unique camping platform. Developed in the Netherlands, it uses the Golo cargo bike chassis with a campervan cabin attached. Inside, it includes all the essentials, such as a fold-out bed, dining area or workspace, and storage units, plus power sources like USB 12-volt and 220-volt outlets. The GoCamp also comes with a fridge, which is especially useful on longer journeys. It runs on a 250-watt pedal assist system and a 1,000 watt-hour battery, with a daily range of up to 50 kilometers with solar support. The starting price is $12,454.18. Number 9. Leesure-Lite Tent. A great example of a light and practical camper is the Leesure-Lite Tent. This product is especially suited to travelers who prefer simple solutions and do not want to deal with heavy trailers while camping. Made in Canada, its main strength lies in its fiberglass clamshell construction. That allows the camper to unfold in less than a minute and give 2 people a comfortable resting place with a double bed platform, screened windows, and a rainfly. For its category, the Leesure-Lite Tent offers a roomy interior despite its compact exterior. Its weight usually falls between 120 and 150 kilograms. Prices depend on condition and begin at $3,000, going up to $7,000. Number 10. Adventurer by Road Warrior Campers. The Adventurer by Road Warrior Campers is a brilliant lightweight off-road camper trailer, ideal for people who value true travel freedom without needing heavy towing. This Australian model features a strong powder-coated aluminum body and ALKO torsion suspension. Thanks to its lift frame design, it is easy to set up and well suited for tough conditions. Its modular design is one of its best features, allowing for different storage layouts, electrical systems, and even a rooftop tent. That means it can work as a basic setup or a full expedition trailer. The trailer weighs between 230 and 280 kilograms, has an ATM of 600 kilograms, and costs from $8,395 to $13,990. Number 11. Z-Triton Amphibious E-Tricycle Camper. The Z-Triton Amphibious E-Tricycle Camper is a one-of-a-kind vehicle that combines an electric tricycle, a boat, and a camper into a single futuristic concept. Built in Latvia, this bold invention uses 1,000 to 1,150 watts of electric assist, along with lithium batteries. It can also be fitted with a roof covered in solar panels. The Z-Triton can carry up to 2 people in its comfortable cabin, which includes a foldable table and well-planned compartments for efficient use of space. On water, it can travel up to 20 kilometers, while on land it can cover around 50 kilometers depending on the load. Number 12. Wandering Space Camper Bike. The Wandering Space Camper Bike by Kacey Wong combines life on the move, art, and social commentary in one creative design. Made in Hong Kong by artist Kacey Wong, this project transforms a cargo tricycle into a living pod that reflects ideas of urban survival, independence, and nomadic living. It features a small sleeping area, a shelter-like frame, and limited storage for essential belongings. Unlike commercial bike campers, the Wandering Space Camper bike focuses more on artistic expression and creativity than on mass-market practicality. Specifications can vary depending on the build, but it remains light enough to move by pedaling. This type of creation could cost around $2,306.19 to $4,612.38. Number 13. GentleTent B-Turtle. The GentleTent B-Turtle is an innovative micro-camper that makes bike touring easier and far more comfortable. Designed in Austria, it introduces a smart camping trailer concept built around an inflatable tent mounted on an aluminum frame weighing about 29 kilograms. This combination gives cyclists a comfortable place to rest and sleep, along with a reliable weather shelter and easy access to essential amenities. The biggest attraction is its compact size, since it takes up only 120 liters of space. Even better, its price is relatively affordable considering what it offers, at roughly $3,448.13. Number 14. Mody Series Bicycle Caravans. The bicycle caravans of the Mody series are a distinctive bike camper concept that lets an electric bicycle be transformed into a micro-home on wheels. Built in Germany by Mody, these trailers use light yet durable materials such as fiberglass or carbon fiber and can be moved with ease. They include a sleeping compartment, ventilation, LED lighting, and space for luggage. There is also an option to add a kitchen, solar panel, and awning for extra convenience when traveling without electricity or plumbing. Weighing around 42 to 50 kilograms and measuring about 2.08 meters in length, they blend portability with comfort. Prices begin at roughly $5,765.77 and rise to more than $8,648.66. Number 15. Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache. The Travel Bike Camper by Maxime Derache is a clever DIY micro-camper from France that adds extra comfort to long-distance cycling trips. Built with a lightweight aluminum frame and a compact teardrop-style shell, it creates a practical and cozy mobile shelter for travelers. Inside, the camper includes a comfortable sleeping area, storage compartments, LED lighting, and optional solar power support for charging small electronic devices. Weighing only about 30 kilograms, it is very easy to tow, especially behind a trike or cargo bike. Although it is not mass-produced, similar custom-built versions are usually valued between $3,459.41 and $5,765.77, depending on the materials and features. It is a smart solution for cyclists who want freedom, comfort, and self-sufficient travel. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the incredible bike camper conversions that have truly raised the bar for camping. Which one stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Until next time.